Hello, welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to save email attachments to your phone gallery. But before I begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting the Amazon Prime subscription. As you look to the middle of your screen, you're going to see the Amazon deal and the Amazon Prime trial. That's the link right there, and you can find it in the video description. So now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to save email attachment to your phone gallery. So first, we're going to start by opening up Gmail right there. So once you're on this main screen right here, you can find like any attachment that has like a picture right there. So I'm going to scroll down here, and I'm going to press on this attachment right here, and I'm going to scroll a little bit down, and you're going to see the picture right there. That's the imagine right there. I'm going to click on the picture on the attachment right there. So once the attachment is here, I'm going to click, as you can look there where there's an arrow pointing down on the upper right hand corner. You're going to see like an arrow pointing down. So I'm going to tap on that. I'm going to select on that. When I select it, I'm going to get this image saved. And that's how you save an email attachment photo to your gallery. And if you have like any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial. You can find it in my video description. And thank you for watching.